Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech Envision. In today's video we are going to see 25 ways to make your small bedroom look bigger. So, let's start. 1. Paint your walls light colors. The reason this works is simply because lighter colors will reflect the light, making it seem brighter and roomier. Darker paint absorbs light, which will feel smaller and more constricting. 2. Monochromatic paint. Coordination is an important feature of any room design, and the best place to start is with your paint. Use monochromatic paint colors throughout the room to create fluidity and space. Painting the room with different or opposite colors will segment off portions of the room when viewing, making it feel smaller. 3. Paint the trim a slightly lighter color. Another simple optical illusion: by painting the trim a slightly lighter color than the walls, your eye perceives depth. Incorporating this simple trick in your small bedroom design will make it feel like the walls are farther away, giving you a roomier feeling bedroom. 4. Paint the ceilings darker or with a bold pattern. This is an interesting technique because you are essentially tricking the eye to look upward. Using colors or patterns that pop will draw the eye upward, which gives the illusion of height even if you don't necessarily have high ceilings. 5. Use space-saving furniture. Not all small bedroom design ideas are optical illusions. Obviously, the less furniture that you have in your bedroom, the bigger it will look. A simple solution would be raising your bed with risers and then storing your clothes beneath. You can also purchase beds with built-in storage beneath, like the bed pictured here. 6. Avoid excessive furniture. You don't always need two bedside tables, especially in a small room. This tip is relatively simple on paper, but somewhat harder in practice. It is always nice to have extra things to make your life easier, but if space is an issue, less furniture will make your room seem much bigger. 7. Get creative. Instead of a full-size bed, try using a futon, which doubles as a couch during the day. If you really want to hide away, try installing a pullman bed. These will maximize floor space when you aren't sleeping. 8. Keep low to the ground. Stay away from tall chairs and tables in your small bedroom design, and definitely get rid of the high headboard. By keeping things low to the ground, you are creating more space above, which keeps the wall cleaner and ceiling seem higher. 9. Transparent furniture. Try replacing your wooden desk with a glass tabletop. This takes up the same amount of space, but tricks the eye into feeling like it does not. Pair your desk with some acrylic or lucite chairs, and you have a minimal visual impact workspace that will help make your whole bedroom look bigger. 10. Exposed legs on your furniture. Similar to the bedroom design tip above, by exposing the legs on your furniture, you are creating the illusion of space and making the bedroom look bigger. The key to this one, however, is to make sure to keep the area below your furniture clean and organized. 11. Built-in shelving around bedding. Building shelving around your bedding and recessing the bed a bit is a great small bedroom design idea. The shelving doubles as bedside table, saving space in that regard, but by having the bed recessed, it creates an illusion of depth in the wall, making the small room feel bigger. 12. Stay out of middle zone. Leave space above hanging art to give the illusion of a taller wall. However, if you have shelves or other storage, keep it closer to the ceiling to draw the eye upwards. The easiest way to do this is by breaking your wall into thirds instead of halves. The hanging art should lie closer to the lower third and any shelves or storage closer to the upper third. 13. Mirrors are the ultimate illusion. If you have a bare wall or door in your bedroom, add some mirrors to make it look bigger. Mirrors not only reflect light, but a cleverly angled mirror will also create depth or height. Optimally, you would want your mirrors to go floor to ceiling. The most common use of this would be mirrored closet doors, but those aren't always part of every small bedroom design. 14. Color code everything. Be sure to color coordinate your decorations throughout the room. Something as simple as grouping books of like colors together will create a sense of unity throughout. Try to match your pillows with your wall art. This creates coherence, which is a necessity in a small room. The color-coded design in this small bedroom provides any easy flow. 15. Mount shelves. A simple way to keep things off of the floor and free up walking space is to mount shelves. Use them to store books, picture frames, or even clothes. However, be sure to keep the colors of shelves coordinated throughout the room. The items on the shelf should also be organized and color-coded if possible. 16. Organize your bedroom. A clutter-free room is key to the perception of space and will make a small bedroom look much bigger. Keep your clothes in drawers, your pencils in a jar, and your loose pennies in your piggy bank. Overall, the room looks and feels much larger than it actually is. 17. Empty space. Some people don't realize the virtues of empty space. It is not necessary to fill all of your shelves to the brim. Empty space is essential for a smaller room because it helps let the room breathe a bit. 18. Smaller lamps. Instead of having a lone source light in the middle of your ceiling, try using several smaller lamps around the room. This will draw the eyes around the room, exaggerating your sense of space. A nice, easy way to incorporate this in your bedroom design would be to place lamps on your bedside table, like this cozy bedroom pictured here. 19. Bold wall art. Instead of peppering the room with photos, use a single bold piece of art. This will help create a focal point in the room, giving it structure and depth. Any of these canvas prints are a great choice. 20. Coordinate vertically or horizontally. This is a very important rule for making your bedroom feel larger. Think of your room as a large painting or drawing. You want the lines of movement to coordinate throughout. 21. Don't let the drapes hit the floor. This follows the same principle as keeping the legs exposed on your furniture. By letting your drapes run all the way to the floor, you are cutting off the flow of the room. They shouldn't run and pool on the floor. 22. No dark drapes. Although you may want to keep out the bright, early morning sun, the natural light is going to expand your bedroom's sense of space. Paired with your mirrors and light-colored walls, you will notice a difference right away in a small. 23. Use a light-colored, simple pattern sheet or quilt. Since this is the bedroom, your bed sheets are going to be a key ingredient in the decoration of your room. When choosing your sheets, stay away from loud, busy patterns. Try to coordinate the colors and shapes with drapes to match the flow of the room. Get creative and use one of these personalized photo quilts or woven photo blankets. Over all else, stick to lighter, brighter color like the one pictured below to make the room feel larger. 25. Keep it simple. This is the best rule in all design, but especially if you want to make a small bedroom seem larger. It is easy to fall into the trap of adding unnecessary decorations and details, and after a while, you end up with a cramped, cluttered room. A few pictures, a nice lamp, and a beautiful plant placed in the corner is all that is needed in this room. So, these were the 25 ways to make your bedroom look bigger. Thanks for watching the video.